More satisfied customers with IFS Household and Personal Care Product Certification. Short, IFS HPC. Miss Wilson is a cosmetics producer, and she's rather pleased. She just won a contract to supply a major customer with shampoos and other hair care products. But before she can sign the supplier agreement, she has to guarantee that she can deliver safe and high-quality products according to customer specifications. So how does she best go about this? She decides on the IFS HPC Standard because it allows her to prove that she's meeting both product safety standards and customer specifications. To get a clearer picture, Miss Wilson invites an independent expert to conduct a pre-audit. The result? She needs to improve the hazard analysis and risk assessment implemented in her production site. This way, any potential hazards can be better controlled and monitored. Risks for the customers can be avoided. To find out more, Miss Wilson now visits the IFS Academy website and registers for an IFS HPC course. This training will give her a complete overview of the standard and a better understanding of the requirements. During the course, Miss Wilson learns that in order to establish a complete risk management system, at first she needs to improve the good manufacturing practices within her production site. The GMPs include parameters such as personnel hygiene, pest control, or waste management. They will help to minimize the hazards and provide a sound foundation for applying the risk assessment. Time to get to work. Miss Wilson and her team improve, among other things, the hygiene practices, waste management, and train the company's employees. Then they develop a standardized risk management system. As soon as Miss Wilson has implemented all the necessary processes, she selects an IFS-approved certification body. They send an auditor who uses the IFS criteria and the customer specifications as a basis for the audit. The auditor assesses, for example, whether the company inspects its raw materials, if it meets the customer's specification, and if the IFS criteria have been implemented and the processes are effective. Interviews with staff are also an important part of the audit. Finally, the audit is successful. Miss Wilson's risk management system works, and she receives her certificate. The supplier agreement can be signed. In addition, Miss Wilson obtains a detailed audit report that shows potential improvements for her company to help them grow and develop. What's more, Miss Wilson soon discovers that the now more efficient processes mean the internal error rate has dropped. There are also far fewer complaints, and that means more satisfied customers. Miss Wilson is thrilled. The IFS certificate has made her company more valuable, as it is recognized by retailers and manufacturers around the world. The IFS database automatically provides interested customers with information on her new certification, and she, on the other hand, can use it to find certified suppliers. You too can increase the value of your company with IFS Household and Personal Care products. For more information, visit www.ifs-certification.com.